Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where we are going to learn how to use Pedcatch scenario. So on your internet source just type pedcatch.com. Pedcatch.com, yeah. So this is the screen which will pop up, and on the left hand side corner you have an option to choose a place and the options to choose the speed, time and the gradient you want. So I'll choose Melbourne Central Swanston Street, right? And then we are going to choose the speed limit where pedestrians may move, like about 1.75, or let's take 2.20 meters per second. Okay, it's just an analysis, so you can take whatever you want. And the time here is going to be the maximum time pedestrians are going to move, like for example 12 minutes. And the gradient here is the steepest gradient over which pedestrians may move, like that is 1:14. And the isochron type is the offset of particular distance from the starting point, so let's keep it ungrouped. Okay, so the yellow dot here is the starting point from where people will start walking. And now let's start the analysis. It may take a while, so let's wait. Okay, so the purple ring here is the diameter of our 12-minute distance, and the arrow is accessibility around within 2.2 meters per second. So we can see the time here is this time passed, and these are the area where person can access in 12 minutes around Melbourne Central area. The semicircular sign is the end. Okay, so I'll just zoom in for you guys. The semicircular sign here is the end of the path, and the arrow shows 12 minutes test is complete, like a person is walking and it's the end of the path. So this is the distance a person can travel in 12 minutes with 2.2 meters per second. The dark area here, the dark blue area here is easily accessible area, whereas the light areas around is the far areas. Now we can export this data by downloading KML scenario or GeoSyn scenario. You can just download the GeoSyn scenario here, which is like already downloaded, which you can see, and you can just drag it into QGIS for further analysis if you want. So that's it. Hope you like the video, and yeah, see you in the next tutorial.